The Italian lifestyle course was an amazing experience and a chance for us students to work for some of the most important design brands in the world. We started this journey at SCAD Lacoste, and during the second week, we had a visit from our mentor, Marco Capolini, who instructed us in sustainable materials. The end of week 2, we traveled to Milan for the Milan Design Week. The first day in Milan started with a visit to the Ronzoni factory outside Milan in the Brianza district. Ronzoni is a third-party supplier of top Italian furniture brands such as Cappellini, Polyform, and Flexform. After our visit to Ronzoni, we went back to Milan and attended the VIP and press day at Super Studio. Super Studio is one of the most prestigious exhibition spaces downtown in Milan during the Design Week. In the evening, we were invited to the opening party of Spazio Cappellini, the showroom of Cappellini. The next day, we visited the opening of the Salone del Mobile Fairground, just outside Milan. As one of my classmates said, it was like to have come to design heaven. So much amazing design and so many famous designers around. Wednesday was our big briefing day. First, we visited the showroom of Patrona Frau, where we met Mirko Splendiani, who is the R&D director and also the marketing director, Leonardo Alasia. After our briefing session with Patrona Frau, we went to the showroom of Cappellini, where Giulio Cappellini presented his brief. The next step was actually just around the corner, to Cassina showroom. Here we met with product manager Beatrice Gobbi and R&D director Alberto Mandelli. The final brief from Zenota we received at their showroom just across the street by R&D director Danielle Greppi. In the evening, we were invited to a special Mark Newson event at the showroom of Cappellini. Here we got a chance to talk to him, and it was really exciting, especially for one of the students, to meet her design hero. Thursday, we started the day with visiting the Science Museum Leonardo da Vinci. After that, we went to visit the design studio of Patricia Orcaola. Then, some of the students went to the exhibition space of Triennale di Milano, and other students went to other design events around the city. The next day, we returned to the Brianza district outside Milan to visit the headquarters of Cassina. We saw the manufacturing process of many iconic design pieces and how things are made. After our training session with Cassina, we went back to Milan and visited the studio of Piero Lissoni. It was interesting to see the inside of the personal office of one of the world's leading designers and architects. Our final visit of the day was the showroom of Boffi and De Padova. Saturday was our final full day in Milan. We went to the museum of Alfa Romeo. We saw both production cars and rare prototypes, but also concept cars and joined a virtual race. Sunday, after a full week in Milan, we traveled back to Lacoste in France. During this period, other events took place at SCAD Lacoste. For instance, the Cinemode event explaining the relationship between cinema and fashion of French fashion designer Jean-Paul Gaultier. Just like in Savannah, we had the SCAD Sidewalk Arts Festival, where many locals participated. After our return to SCAD Lacoste, students picked their company, and based on the brief, each student started to work on an individual design proposal. We did an online project review midway and finalized the design for final presentations. Both students and the mentoring companies were excited by the results developed in such a short period of time. A great success and an unforgettable experience.